Hello children, welcome to class 1 computers. Children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 4, that is places where computers are used. So children, in this chapter we have studied about different places where we use the computer and the different types of work which we do using these computers. So I hope you have understood the chapter. In the previous video we had started book exercise. So children, let us revise self-evaluation and then we will do the book exercise of this chapter. So children, self-evaluation. Under this children, we have 2 points. First is, I know that computers help in schools, homes, shops, hospitals, banks and offices. So children, as we know, we have studied about different places where we use computers. So these are the places where we use computers and we agree with the statement and we have put tick in the agree box. After that we have another point. I know that computers are also used at airport and railway stations. So children, we use computers in homes, schools, offices, bank, hospitals for different purposes. Other than these, in railway station and in airports also we use computers. So children, and also we know we do different types of work using these computers at these places. So we have understood the chapter and now we are going to do the book exercise. So yesterday we had done question number 8. Today we will be doing the remaining ones. So children, exercise. Here we are going to do the exercise of chapter classwork chapter 4, places where computers are used. Places where computers are used. So this is our chapter, places where computers are used. Now children, so our first exercise is A. Question number A. In this question we have tick the correct answers. As we know children, in every chapter the first question which we have is tick the correct answer. So here also we have first question as A, T-I-C-K, tick the correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct, tick the correct answers, A-N-S-W-E-R, answer, tick the correct answer. So here children we have first one. First question is at dash computers, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R-S, computers, at dash computers are used, for, F-O-R, for preparing, P-E-R-A-R-I-N-G, preparing exam, E-X-A-M, exam, R-E-S-U-L-T, result. Now, so children, our first question is at dash computers are used for preparing, P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G, preparing exam results. So children, options are A, we have school, S, we have school, then we have office, O-F-F-I-C-E, office, and then we have bank, B-A-N-K, bank. As you know children, here question is, first of all try to understand the question. सबसे पहले हमें question को समझना है. तो सबसे पहले question को समझना सीखिए. At dash that is school, computers are used for preparing exam results. Where do you prepare exam result? The place where you have exams. Where do you have exams? आपके exams कहाँ होते हैं? आपके exams schools में होते हैं. ऑफिस में, घर में या फिर हॉस्पिटल या बैंक में तो एग्जाम्स होते नहीं हैं. एग्जाम्स स्कूल्स में होते हैं. तो स्कूल में एग्जाम होता है तो रिजल्ट भी स्कूल में बनेगा. सो द आंसर इज स्कूल. हियर वी हैव स्कूल, ऑफिस एंड बैंक. वी डोंट हैव एग्जाम्स इन ऑफिसेस, we don't have exams in banks, but we have exams in the schools. So you will put a tick in front of school and you will write here S-C-H-O-O-L, school. अब यहाँ पे जब हम सेंटेंस के बीच में लिखेंगे तो वहाँ पे हम छोटे लेटर से लिखेंगे, यानी स्मॉल लेटर से लिखेंगे. सो एट स्कूल कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स. स्कूल्स में हम कंप्यूटर का यूज करके एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज स्कूल. नाउ सेकेंड वन चिल्ड्रन, एट शॉप्स अ कंप्यूटर हेल्प्स इन डैश बिल्स. Second one is at shops, at SHOP, shops, computers are ARER used to prepare to dash bills, to dash BILLS bills. As you know children, we buy things from the shop. We buy थिंग्स और ग्रॉसरी फ्रॉम द शॉप. ग्रॉसरी शॉप से ग्रॉसरी खरीदते हैं. क्लॉथ का शॉप है, रेडीमेड शॉप है, तो वहाँ से ड्रेसेस खरीदते हैं. तो वी बाय डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स और डिफरेंट आइटम्स फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट शॉप्स. सो वेन एवर वी बाई एनी ऑफ दीज आइटम्स चिल्ड्रन, वी गेट अ बिल फ्रॉम द शॉप. हमें उसके बदले में एक बिल मिलता है फॉर पेइंग द मनी, और जो भी हमने खरीदा है उसका, और उसका मनी के साथ हमें एक बिल मिलता है. और उस बिल को यूज करके हम क्या करते हैं, उस बिल को यूज करके हम क्या करते हैं, उस बिल को यूज करके हम उसे रखते हैं, और कभी रिटर्न करना हो या कुछ भी हो, पैसे चेक करना हो उसका, तो हम उसको यूज करते हैं. तो जब भी हम कोई सामान खरीदते हैं उसका हमें बिल लेना जरूरी होता है. एंड वी गेट अ बिल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाउअडेज वी गेट अ बिल प्रिंटेड बिल. हमें पहले हाथ से लिखा हुआ बिल मिलता था. अब क्योंकि ईच एंड एवरी शॉप्स कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड, वी गेट प्रिंटेड बिल. तो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू हमें प्रिंटेड बिल मिलता है. तो ये किस चीज का बिल होता है, हम जो सामान खरीदते हैं उसका कॉस्ट होता है, अमाउंट होता है, और उसका हमें बिल मिलता है. ये सही रहता है. इन फ्यूचर कभी हमें कोई चीज रिटर्न करना हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, तो इस बिल को यूज करके हम उसे रिटर्न कर सकते हैं या एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस बिल इज प्रिंटेड यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. सो इन द शॉप्स, एट शॉप कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड टू डैश bills या helps to, sorry, computers in the shops, computers helps us in let us see the options. Option में हमारे पास है A we have playing, PLAYING, playing. We have playing. B में हमारे पास है, in B we have drawing, DRAWING, drawing. And thirdly we have printing. Thirdly we have C, we have PRINTING, printing. So children, as you know कि in the shop या at the shop computers helps us in playing the bill is not possible, drawing the bill is also not possible, printing the bill. So we need a computer to print a bill. So you will write here PRINTING, printing bills, and here you will put a tick. So at shops computers helps us in printing bills, playing, drawing, printing. At shops computers helps us in printing bills. Now this is second one. Now third is at railway station computers helps in booking. Third, at railway station, at railway stations, STATIONS, stations. At railway stations computers help in booking, BOOKING, booking what? Booking what? Dash. So first option is children, first option is A, fee. Do you book fees? Then second option is tickets, TICKETS, tickets. Or thirdly children, we have recording. C we have RECORDING, recording. So what is the answer children? At railway stations computer help in booking fees, recording or tickets. So at railway station we don't have to do anything with the fees. So this is wrong option. We don't have to do anything with recording. So the correct answer is tickets. So you will put a tick in front of tickets and you will write here T-I-C-K-E-T-S, tickets. So here, as we are writing in the middle of the sentence, you will write with small letter, tickets. So let us read these questions. Firstly, tick the correct answer. At school, computers are used for preparing exam results. At school, computers are used for preparing exam results. At shops, computers help us in printing bills. At shops, computers help us in printing bills. At railway stations, computer help in booking tickets. At railway stations, computer help in booking railway tickets. So with this, children, we have completed question number 1, or we have recapitulated what we did in our previous video. Let us start today's work. So now we are going to do our next question. Till now we were revising what we had done in our previous video. So first question is, children, first question is, guess the place where the computers are used in these statements. So you are going to read out the statement and guess this type of work is done at which place. So you are going to guess the place where these tasks are done. और for B में question है GUESS, guess the places, the PLACE, places where, WHER, where the computers, where the computers are used, ARER, used in these statements, STATEMENTS, statements. So children, here we have first one. In first question we have helps to keep records, helps to keep, 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 RECORDS, records in library, helps to keep records in library, INLIBRA, library, helps to keep record in LIBRA, library. So children, the answer is, where do we find library, children? Now we are going to tell key records in library. You are going to tell where this library is found. So this type of work is done in which place? Helps to keep record in library. Library is found in the school. So the answer is school. Here some options are also given. S is written. S. Then S is written. H is also written. And O, L is also written. L. So this is the word. Here you are going to fill the words SCHOOL, school. So the library is in school. So in the school, computers helps in keeping the record in the library. So library में books के record करने के लिए we use computer, and libraries are found in the school. So this work is done in school. So the answer is school, because here we are trying to find out the place where these types of works are done. Second one, children, helps in typing letters. HELPS, helps in TYPING, typing letters. Where do we type letters, children? The option is, where do we type letters? First one, O is written, I think. Yes, O is written. O dash. F is written. C, and I think E is written. I think E named C is written. C लिखा हुआ है. So children, here is a word which starts with O. That means the letters are typed in office. The word given also starts with O. That means the place where we type letter is office. In the office, we type the letters. So O-F-F-I-C-E, office. This is office. Now, third one. Third one is helps in booking bills. Helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps in booking, B-O-O-K-I-N-G, booking, helps in booking tickets. Helps in booking tickets. So name the place where helps in. This one is last. We are doing third one. Sorry, we will do first third one and then we will do fifth one. Okay. So helps in making bills. Helps in M-A-K-I-N-G, making, B-I-L-L-S, bills. So which is the place where we make bills, children? Where do we need to make bill? Where do we need to make bills? The words given are only O. Only one letter is given, O. We are going to write the remaining letters. So children, helps in making bills. Where do we need to make a bill, children? We need to make a bill in shops. So you write S-H-O, लिखा है P. शॉप, वी नीड टू मेक अ बिल इन शॉप. जब हम कोई भी सामान खरीदते हैं तो उसका एक बिल लेते हैं कि उसमें कोई परेशानी हो तो हम उसे वापस कर सके, और फिर कभी कोई भी दिक्कत आती है तो वो बिल यूज करके हम उसे रिपेयर करा सकते हैं या फिर वापस शॉप में दिखा सकते हैं. नाउ फोर्थ वन चिल्ड्रन. फोर्थ इज क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ इज हेल्प्स इन प्रिपेयरिंग मेडिकल रिपोर्ट. H-E-L-P-S, helps in preparing, P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G, preparing medical reports, R-E-P-O-R-T-S, reports. So children, where do we need to prepare medical report? हम medical report कहाँ prepare करते हैं? जहाँ हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, अपनी बीमारी का पता करते हैं और जो बीमारी है उसका रिपोर्ट मिलता है हमें, जो भी इलाज हमारा होता है उसका हम रिपोर्ट निकलवाते हैं. तो when we go to the hospitals, we need to prepare a medical report. The hospital give us a medical report prepared by them. So in the hospital the medical reports are prepared. So here you will write hospital. So the options given are, यहाँ पे हमारे पास है H, सबसे पहले some letters are written here. H is already written. H हम यहाँ लिखेंगे H. उसके बाद we have dash. Again we have dash. Then we have dash. And then we have I. After that we have L. So L. The remaining letters you are going to fill and complete. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. We need to prepare medical reports in the hospital. So helps, what helps? Computers helps in preparing medical reports in the hospitals. Now lastly children, fifth one we have, in the 5 we have helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps. In 5 we have helps in I-N-N, B-O-O-K-I-N-G, booking, helps in booking tickets, T-I-C-K-E-T-S, tickets. So the answer is airport, A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. So firstly we have A, then dash, dash, then we have T and T. A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. So let us read these children once again. Firstly children, question is guess. Guess मतलब guess the places where the computers are used in these statements. So here some statements are given. We are going to find out where which are the places where these things are done, and you are going to write the name in the space given here. In this also some letters are given, we are going to fill and complete the word. So children, first one, helps to keep records in library. As we know, in schools we have libraries. In libraries we have lot of books and we need to keep the record of these books. जब हम स्कूल में हम सभी जाते हैं और हम सबको पता है कि there is a library, मतलब पुस्तकालय, as I told you. तो यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी होती है, लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारी किताबें होती हैं, बहुत सारी बुक्स होती हैं. इन सभी बुक्स का हम रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं कंप्यूटर में. एंड कंप्यूटर हैज मेड इट इजी टू कीप द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग एनीवेयर. So similarly in schools also we keep the record of all the books available in the library. So this work is done in school. So there you will fill the remaining letters and complete the word. The word is school, SCHOOL, school. Then secondly, helps in typing letter. Letter टाइप करना होता है, हम कहाँ लेटर टाइप करते हैं? We type letter in the office. So you have written OFFICE. Some of the letters were given and the remaining we have written and completed it. Helps in making bills. Name the place where we make a bill. So children, this is shop where we make the bill. Shop में हम जाते हैं, सामान खरीदते हैं, उसका बिल लेते हैं. जितना सामान खरीदते हैं, क्वांटिटी होता है, नेम ऑफ द आइटम होता है और अमाउंट होता है, और इसका बिल लेते हैं और फिर सामान खरीदते हैं. तो देयर वी नीड अ कंप्यूटर टू गेट द बिल, दैट इज शॉप. हेल्प्स इन प्रिपेयरिंग मेडिकल रिपोर्ट. वेयर डू वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर मेडिकल रिपोर्ट? वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर अ मेडिकल रिपोर्ट इन द हॉस्पिटल. अब हॉस्पिटल में हमें कंप्यूटर की जरूरत होती है फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द मेडिकल रिपोर्ट. देन हेल्प्स इन बुकिंग टिकट्स. विच इज द प्लेस वेयर वी बुक टिकट्स? वी बुक टिकट्स इन एयरपोर्ट एज वेल एज इन द रेलवे स्टेशन. मगर यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में ए लिखा हुआ था एंड द लेटर्स वर मैचिंग विद एयरपोर्ट, सो वी हैव रिटन एयरपोर्ट. यहाँ पे अगर रेलवे स्टेशन दिया होगा तो हम रेलवे स्टेशन भी लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस आल्सो एंड आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. आफ्टर दैट आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. You will read the statement and write T for true and F for false statement. आप स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ेंगे और उसके बाद समझेंगे और बताएंगे कि स्टेटमेंट सही है या गलत है. अगर स्टेटमेंट गलत है तो यू विल राइट कैपिटल F. अगर स्टेटमेंट राइट है तो यू विल राइट स्मॉल t. Sorry, if the statement is right you will write T and if the statement is wrong you will write F. चलो, so children, let us write the question first. Question number 1, that is WRITE, right? T for FOR, for true, TRUE, true. And F for FOR, for false, FALSE, false. Statement, STATE, state, MENT, statements. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास है वन है. वन का मतलब है कंप्यूटर्स. कंप्यूटर्स ARE used for teaching. TEACHING, teaching. Computers are used for teaching. तो यहाँ पे हम यूज करेंगे बॉक्स फॉर राइटिंग T और F. Computers are used for teaching. Is it true, children? We use computer for teaching? Yes, it is true. Nowadays also we are using computers for teaching and पहले से भी हम कंप्यूटर्स को यूज करके टीचिंग कर रहे थे. मतलब लैब में हमारे पास कंप्यूटर था, वहाँ हम कंप्यूटर पढ़ने के लिए कंप्यूटर का यूज कर रहे थे और कंप्यूटर के थ्रू हम पढ़ा रहे थे. ठीक है. सो कंप्यूटर आज भी टीचिंग के लिए काम आता है और पहले भी आता था. सो कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर टीचिंग. स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, सो यू विल राइट हियर T फॉर ट्रू. आप यहाँ पे T फॉर ट्रू लिखेंगे. देन सेकेंड वन चिल्ड्रन, सेकेंडली वी हैव computers can keep the record of fee at school. Computers can keep, K-E-E-P, keep the record, R-E-C-O-R-D, record of fee, F-E-E-Fee, at SCHOOLS, schools. So this is it true or false children? ये सही है या गलत है? चलिए ट्रू फॉल्स हम एक जगह यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. Is it true or false? Computers can keep the record of fee at schools. Of course children, we use computer for keeping the record of fees deposited by the students in the school. So this is true and you will write T for true. अगर स्कूल में बच्चे फीस जमा करते हैं तो हम उनके फीस का रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं कंप्यूटर के थ्रू. सो ये सही है एंड यू विल राइट T for true. Now third one, computers are helpful in offices. Computers are helpful in offices. OFFICES, offices. So computers are helpful in offices. Computer offices में helpful होते हैं. This is also true क्योंकि we do many work using the computers in schools. तो computers schools में भी helpful होते हैं. ये statement सही है and you will write T for true there. Now fourth one, computers cannot be used at shops. Is it true children? Computers cannot be used at shops. SHOP, shop. Computers cannot be used at shops. क्या हम कंप्यूटर्स को शॉप में नहीं यूज कर सकते? दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स क्योंकि हमने तो पढ़ा है कि वी प्रिंट बिल्स यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर एट शॉप्स. तो वी आर यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर फॉर कीपिंग द स्टॉक in the shop as well as for printing the bill. So this statement is wrong and you will write F for false. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि शॉप्स में भी हम कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं. हम स्टॉक रखने के लिए भी कंप्यूटर को यूज कर सकते हैं. वी यूज द कंप्यूटर फॉर कीपिंग द स्टॉक और वी यूज द कंप्यूटर फॉर प्रिंटिंग द बिल ऑल्सो. तो इन द शॉप्स ऑल्सो वी यूज द कंप्यूटर. यहाँ कैनॉट यूज लिखा है, हम नहीं कर सकते, इज अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. नाउ सो यू विल राइट F for false. 5 में हमारे पास है computers help at railway railway station stations stations. Railway stations for what? Are used at railway stations for computers help at railway station for what? Computers help us at railway station for मतलब help at railway station is true because railway station पे computer helps us for getting the ticket, reserving the ticket, for cancellation of the ticket or for the enquiry purpose. So railway station पे भी हम computers का help लेते हैं. So this statement is also true and you will write T for true. Now sixth and the last one children, we have computers COMPUTERS. Computers cannot 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 be used for booking for BOOKING for booking tickets at tickets at the airport airport. So is it true children? We cannot use computers at airport. Is it true? We cannot use computers at airport. क्या हम एयरपोर्ट पे कंप्यूटर्स को नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं? This is false as we can use computers at airport. तो हम एयरपोर्ट पे भी कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं for the same purpose what we do at railway station. So this statement is false and you will write F for false क्योंकि यहाँ पे it is written cannot be used. So this statement is false and you will write F for false. So let us read it children. Write T for true and F for false statements. Computers are used for teaching. This is true. We use computers for teaching. So we have written T for true. Computers can keep the record of fee at school. This is also true. So children, as we know, आप लोग जो भी फीस स्कूल में डिपॉजिट करते हो, द रिकॉर्ड इज केप्ट यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. सो स्कूल में हम इस पर्पस के लिए कंप्यूटर्स का यूज करते हैं. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू एंड यू विल राइट टी फॉर ट्रू. सो computers can keep the record of fee at schools. Computers are helpful in offices. So children, here we can say the computers are useful in the offices. As we know, in the offices, computers are used for different purposes. So you will write T for true. Computers cannot be used at shops. This is wrong because we do lot of things in the shops also. We print the bills, we keep the record of the stock. So this statement is false and you will write F for false statement. Computers help at railway station. Of course, computers help at railway station for ticketing, for cancellation or for inquiry purpose. So this is also true. This one is true. Then last one, computers cannot be used for booking tickets at railway station, at airport. So this is false because whatever we do using the computer at railway station, all those purposes are done at the airport also. So this statement is false because it is written cannot. So you will write F for false. So children, with this we have come to the end of this video. Read whatever we did today and write it in your book itself. आप book में ही लिखोगे और उसके बाद children we will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you.